Your kids are bouncing with excitement as the cruise ship appears, but then security pulls you aside and your vacation ends before it even starts. If you don't want to be that parent in 2026, stay until the end for the full countdown of cruise fails every family regrets. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if it's your first time. If you're planning a family cruise in 2026, you are in the right place. Hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a travel tip that saves your vacation. Today, we're doing a full countdown of the 10 most common banned items that are quietly destroying family cruises right now. These aren't the obvious stuff everyone knows about. These are the sneaky ones parents pack every single time, only to watch security confiscate them, delay boarding, or even deny them entirely. I've pulled the latest 2026 policies from Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Disney, Norwegian, and the big lines, so you don't have to. Let's jump straight in at number 10. Number 10. Portable Bluetooth speakers. You know the drill. You toss that little waterproof speaker in the suitcase so the kids can play their favorite songs by the pool or in the cabin. Sounds harmless, right? Wrong. In 2026, most major lines have cracked down hard on personal speakers and Bluetooth devices. Why? They interfere with the ship's emergency announcements, blast noise that disturbs other families, and create a safety hazard in crowded areas. Security will confiscate them instantly. No exceptions on many ships. Parents I've heard from said their kids cried the entire first day because the music speaker got taken. The fail is real. Instead of chill family time, you get grumpy kids and wasted money on a device you can't use. Pro tip, just use your phone with earbuds or the ship's free entertainment.
Number 9. Extension cords and surge protector power strips. Parents pack these because cruise cabins have like 3 outlets and everyone needs to charge phones, tablets, cameras, and kid gadgets. Big mistake. Almost every cruise line bans surge protectors and multi-plug cords with surge protection because they can overload the ship's electrical system and start fires. Regular thin extension cords without surge are sometimes allowed but still risky. Most get taken at the X-ray. Families end up fighting over the one outlet the whole trip while their $30 power strip sits in a security bin. 2026 update. Enforcement is stricter than ever after a couple of minor incidents last year. Wish they knew? Buy a small USB charging hub that plugs directly into the wall instead.
Number 8. Smart glasses, the 2026 brand new ban. These are the cool glasses that record video and take photos hands-free, perfect for capturing family memories without holding a phone. Royal Caribbean made them officially banned in certain areas in early 2026. Restrooms, kids' clubs, casino, medical areas, and many other lines followed. Why? Privacy and security. They can secretly record other guests and crew. Parents who showed up wearing them got pulled aside, had to remove the glasses, and some were told they couldn't use them anywhere public. The fail? Your amazing vacation footage plan dies on day one, and the kids are disappointed they can't get the cool POV shots. Leave them at home or just use your phone. Number 7. Drones. Every parent thinks this will get the best aerial shots of the ship and the islands. Nope. Drones are banned on virtually every cruise line in 2026 for safety, privacy, and FAA-style regulations at sea. They get confiscated at boarding, and you won't see them again until you disembark, if you're lucky. Families report the heartbreak of watching their $400 drone go into a bin while the kids ask, "Where's the flying camera?" The reason is simple. Drones can interfere with ship navigation and are a massive security risk. Save the drone for land vacations only.
Number 6. Hoverboards, Heelys, or any wheeled recreational devices. Kids love these. Rolling around the ship sounds like the ultimate fun. But they're banned fleet-wide because of fire risk from lithium batteries and because they're dangerous in crowded hallways and stairs. Security spots them immediately on the X-ray. Parents who packed them for fun on the ship ended up carrying extra heavy luggage for nothing and dealing with disappointed kids who wanted to zoom around. 2026 policy is zero tolerance.
Number 5. Clothing irons and garment steamers. This one surprises so many parents. You want the family to look sharp for dinner and photos, so you pack a travel steamer or mini iron. Instant no-go. Every major line bans any heat-producing appliance because of the extreme fire risk on a ship. They get taken at security every single time. Families end up with wrinkled outfits and zero way to fix them. The regret is huge. One mom told me she spent $80 on a steamer that lasted exactly 0 minutes on the ship. Use the ship's laundry service, or hang clothes in the bathroom while you shower instead.
Number 4. Alcohol. Liquor, beer, or anything beyond the tiny allowance. You're thinking you'll save money by bringing a bottle or two for the cabin. Most lines allow 1 bottle of wine or champagne per adult, sometimes, but anything else, liquor, beer, even pre-mixed drinks, is banned and confiscated. In 2026, they're checking harder than ever. Parents who tried the hide-it-in-the-suitcase trick got caught, lost the booze, and sometimes got a warning. The fail? You pay cruise prices anyway and feel silly for even trying. Just budget for the drink package or enjoy what's on board.
Number 3. Candles, incense, or any open flame items. Scented candles for the cabin to make it feel homey? Romantic anniversary vibes? Forget it. Open flames are banned because a ship fire at sea is catastrophic. Even small tea lights or incense get taken. Families who packed them for cozy nights learned the hard way when security pulled them out in front of everyone. 2026 enforcement is strict after a few close calls last year.
Number 2. Sharp objects. Scissors, knives, box cutters, even craft scissors. Parents packing kids' crafts, nail kits, or just utility scissors for opening packages get shocked when these are confiscated. Only tiny grooming scissors under 4 inches are sometimes allowed. Anything bigger is considered a weapon. The reason is obvious: security. One family I heard about had their entire kids' craft kit taken, and the kids were devastated they couldn't do their planned activities. Check the exact blade length rules on your cruise line site before packing.
Number 1. Weapons, firearms, replicas, or anything that looks like one. This is the biggest one, and the one that can actually get you denied boarding. Toy guns, replica swords, even starter pistols or martial arts items are banned. Security takes them, and you may miss the ship. Parents who thought it's just a toy for the kids learned the ultimate cruise fail: standing on the dock watching your ship sail away. Zero tolerance in 2026. Always double-check every bag. Whew, that was the full countdown. Every single one of these has ruined a family vacation this year.
So there you have it, the 10 banned items that are causing the biggest family cruise fails in 2026. The good news? Now you know exactly what to avoid, what to pack instead, and how to make your cruise smooth and stress-free. The biggest lesson? Always check your specific cruise line's prohibited items page right before you pack. Rules do update. If you're planning a cruise this year, drop your cruise line and sailing date in the comments so I can give you more tailored tips in the next video. Smash that like button if this saved you from a packing disaster. Subscribe for more family travel warnings, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Safe sailing, happy families. I'll see you in the next one. Bon voyage!